This video shows how to submit technology reservations from multiple dates using EMS WebApp. You'll need your NetID and password and authenticate with Duo. Log into EMS with your NetID and password. Authenticate with Duo. Select Create a Reservation located in the upper left side. There are several reservation templates available. Select CETS, Service Request for classes. Click on Book Now, located in the right side. The Room Request window opens. This is where you select the date and time, along with the location. Select the date. Select Recurrence. Select your repeats requirement. Select the end date. Select the start and end times. Click on Apply Recurrence. Enter the location. Click on Next Step, located in the right side. Select the GPC technology you require. Enter any special instructions and click OK. Click on Next Step when done. The Reservation Details window opens. This is where you give specific answers to specific questions. Accept the default client name. Event type, as well as client. For first contact, select Temporary Contact from the drop-down menu. Enter a first contact name and email address. For Are you the professor assigned to teach this class? Choose Yes or No. If No is selected, enter the assigned professor's name or NetID. For Does this request match the assigned start-end times and classroom location for the class as listed in the registrar's schedule of classes? Choose Yes or No. If Yes is selected, enter the course number. If No is selected, enter a valid reservation number from the registrar's office. Select your assigned building from the drop-down menu. Enter your assigned room number. Enter information regarding this event. For Do you require training on any requested educational technology? Choose No or Yes. For I understand that this is a request and not a confirmation of scheduled service. Choose Yes, I understand. For I further understand that after successfully scheduling my request, CETS will update the status to CETS approved, and a confirmation email will be sent. Choose Yes, I understand. Enter any other information you would like us to know. Then click on Create Reservation, located in the lower right side. From here, you can create a new reservation, check the status of your reservations using My Events, or log out. If you have any questions, call us at 202-687-7491. Stop by our office in ICC 121, or send us an email at CETS@georgetown.edu.